I'm curious, how many of you have ever heard of SEO? If you have, just raise your hand. You don't have to type it into the chat window. Just raise your hand and keep it up, please. Keep it up if you've heard of SEO. Now, how many of you feel that you've actually done some search engine optimization before? Keep your hands up if you've done some search engine optimization before. Okay, I got a couple of little bits. Yeah, okay. Raise your hand if you feel like you're an SEO expert. Okay, good. So maybe one or two of you. Eli, looks like you know what you're talking about. Fantastic. So for those of you who have a little bit of experience with this might seem like review to you. All right. Now, if you haven't done this before, think about search as just one of those fundamental things you do. And search engine optimization is just something to help a marketer's website appear higher in the search engine result page, the page that we just looked at. We're going to go over these terms a lot more during the class. But if you're getting confused and frustrated, just kind of go back to that core idea that people need stuff and they use search to find that stuff. And all we're trying to do is make our stuff show up more quickly than other people's stuff. Let's talk about what Google's job is. If one of you wants to come off mute and give me an idea of what Google's job is, how does Google make money?
Hello.
Hey, hi, Adam.
Oh, hi. Google, yeah, they make money through ad revenue. They crawl websites. So they go on various websites. They aggregate those websites. And when a person searches for a website, based on the information they've aggregated from the website, they will serve that website to the person based on the person's search query. And so they primarily make money by offering to the websites the ability to promote themselves in the search and raise themselves higher, or their bar higher to the search. In doing so, they have various means of doing it, either through the SEO, the AdWords, or through actual direct ads that would show up at the top of your search.
Fantastic, Adam. Couldn't have said it better myself. So there's a lot of keywords that you said there, right? One was crawl, and we're going to talk about what crawl means in a little bit. Another one was search engine results. We're going to talk about that. Another one you said is search phrase, or I forgot how you put it, but keyword phrase. We're going to talk about keywords a lot today. You have a goal for Google of finding the perfect page for a keyword, right? That's their goal. The algorithm that they have is going to measure their data that's available and make a best guess at that perfect page, okay? And over time, this algorithm is going to get closer and closer without ever quite reaching perfection of getting results that are good for me, yeah? Or keyword or meta keywords. Anybody heard of meta keywords? Yeah? Eli, your hand's just going to be up all day, friend.